Michael, when a defendant, especially in a case like this, if he had not taken the stand, I mean, we see this a lot in trials. Obviously, the state has the burden, but there are some jurors that make an honest inference, even though they're told in jury instructions, even though they're told you cannot use it against the defendant, that he did not come up and testify. There are some that really feel that if he's being truthful, he should get up there and explain his story. The problem here is his story really isn't adding up.
He had to take the stand. He had no choice but to take the stand. It's not even a Hail Mary. It's even worse. If there's a Hail Mary from one football stadium to another football stadium, that's what it is. He had to take the stand, and all he has to do is, in his mind, is flip one juror. But getting on the stand, and wait till you see the cross-examination. It's going to be, this is going to be what it has to be. This is exactly what this trial had to be from day one. He had to take the stand. He took the stand. He's telling his story. And jurors, yeah, you're right, Kelly. I always tell, I've told on multiple occasions on this broadcast about other cases. She's got to take the stand. He's got to take the stand. Why? Because jurors are not robots. They're human beings, right? And so if you had a jury of robots, less people would have to take the stand, right? We saw Marsha Thompson, for example, take the stand. Had she not taken the stand, she would have been convicted. She took the stand. She cried. She was sincere. She was acquitted, right? People have to take the stand in certain cases with certain fact patterns. In this case, he had to take the stand. With the evidence against him, if he didn't take the stand, not only was motion for directed verdict by the prosecution doesn't exist, but I think they would have invented it for Robert Tellis if he didn't take the stand. They would have just said motion for directed verdict, and the judge, again, I know it's not possible, but that's how convincing the case against him was when the state rested had he not taken the stand. So he had to take the stand.